and welcome to our 2021 Easter video. We are with our van life friends, le.truck, and our German friends that also have kids we can play with too, making our Easter extra fun.
What do you see? What do you see?
That.
Wow.
You need to prepare your eyes because you have to see the Easter eggs. Everybody prepare the eyes.
Today, what you are going to find, what you are going to...
Candy, chocolate,
Huh?
chocolate.
Chocolate?
Haven't go yet.
Go!
My name is Ava and I love Easter so much.
What'd you get, Max?
Kinder Joy. My Kinder Joy. There's candy right there.
You see one? Let me see. What do you see? Wow, that's a lot.
Whoa, thank you.
We put all our candies together.
Wow, you got a big one.
What's that?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, I think...
You can open these and then...
Aus wie ein Eis, ne?
Looks like an ice cream.
Ja, okay. Nein, das sieht ja nicht auf wieder.
She put my hands and then I picked what I wanted. I got so much candy.
You did good?
I had 2 eggs that was pink and blue.
Good job, Ava. Let me see. You have 2 now.
Hi, Mac. What'd you find, Max?
A Kinder Joy during the Easter egg hunt, and this is the first time I ever had it.
What's in there? Why are there lumps?
There's like Ferrero Rocher things, white chocolate on the top, and Nutella at the bottom.
Is it good, or you want to just give it to me?
It's good. I finished the Kinder Joy.
Thank you for watching and stay safe, everyone. Ava from le.truck.world, you did a great job helping with narration in this video. Thank you, Ava. Hope you all had a wonderful Easter. See you next week. Bye.